Here's your Elevate intake manifold right here, and then your intake tube. It's a large tube. It is supposed to have these dents in it to clear your AC lines. First thing you gotta do is make sure you put the silicone side on top of the turbo, lube up this side, come at it about a 75-degree angle. This side needs to go down in there. While you're pushing down, twist and don't hit your intake manifold. So let me see if I can prop this up over here. Alright, lube up this side, down in, twist, and perfect. Now you see it lines up nicely. And you have your other silicone adapter for this side for the mass airflow. And then you have your full Elevate intake and tube.